Hi, so we're going to flip through this journal. It is so dang cute. This is a food journal. It is soft paperback made out of an envelope that I put on, and then has some pretty lace. It has this little dangle thing, which I love. These were so fun to make. If you want a tutorial, let me know. So this pulls out, and it has some on the back. And pockets up in the front. And you can actually, if you really wanted to, you can tuck stuff right in there. But I don't have it set up that way. So, some little journal cards. Little clusters, the library, recipe cards, and this, you can pull stuff out. It really shouldn't be as complicated as I make it look to be. There we go. There's another one in there. Here is a belly band, which has, I just love this punch. How fun is it? This has some goodies in there and some another mason jar, which, yes, that was my daughter's outfit. She decided to just leave on my table, so I make use of it. A little cluster that was big enough I used as a tuck spot. Lots of writing space for memory keeping and journals, recipes, and all that good stuff. Side little pocket right there, and then some recipe cards in there. Another little, and then this has some more recipe cards. This kit was so fun. Okay, this is a double belly band, which I really do love. Some of this is scrapbook paper, some's from a kit, some is a printable, some is books and stuff. And I have a little dangle. And this has a pocket right there, up here. This is made out of an envelope. And two right there. Thanks for joining me. Message me if you are interested in this.